Keeping a child away from the other parent can backfire in a custody case because there are specific laws about parental alienation. There are also criminal aspects to this, but we don't normally get into that, but there are parental alienation and even kidnapping laws specifically addressing parental alienation. And that goes for Arizona as well as federally. Questions have been asked like, what do judges think of parental alienation? Wondering what a judge thinks is not always the most important thing to do. The important thing to do is to make sure that the law is correct. What a judge thinks, yes, that's the emotional argument that has its role, but what the law says is going to be extremely important. And even if a judge says, oh, well, that should be reasonable, that doesn't matter. If there's parental alienation by statute, then it's there. And that is one of the things that will end up being considered. What are the signs that my spouse is trying to alienate me from my kids? An example of that would be, let's say you have orders already with the court that establish what your parenting time is, and you have Father's Day or Mother's Day, and the other parent says, oh, you can't have the kids because we have plans, and they don't say that until last minute, or even they might say it a month prior. Just because they say it doesn't mean that's what's going to happen, because we have statutes, we have laws, and you have an order that says what your parenting time is. Everybody should be abiding by that same order. Now, occasionally we're going to veer from that order, and that's something that y'all can do by agreement. But if there is no agreement and somebody's not letting you have parenting time that's supposed to be yours, that is in itself parental alienation.